All right, we're here in Belvedere, and what I like about this neighborhood is that everything is brand new. You don't see any old homes around here, and Belvedere is just on the eastern edge of Calgary, east central. Again, a brand new community, and another good thing about this area is it's walking distance to the East Hills Shopping Center, and there's everything in there. There's like a movie theater, a Costco, a Walmart, and there's probably 100 other stores, and that's all walking distance from this community. And this property listed for $735,000. I would say it's a pretty attractive price for a brand new home in Calgary. It's certainly in this size as well, about 2,055 square feet. And so it's a brand new house, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms in Belvedere, 2,000 square feet. You've got an inviting foyer area upon entry. You've got a flex room that can be converted into an office on the upper level. So the bonus room is above where the garage is. Open floor plan on the main floor with a spacious living, dining, and kitchen area, mudroom area, and walk-through pantry connecting the garage to the kitchen. We have an upgraded kitchen appliances, chimney, hood fan, gas stove, quartz countertops. Again, 3 beds, 2 baths, laundry room with a side-by-side washer and dryer on the second floor. And thoughtfully designed floor plan for both functionality and style. There's also a separate side entrance to the unfinished basement, so you can have opportunities down the road to finish the basement and maybe suite it out potentially. And again, we're walking distance to a lot of shopping outlets and restaurants, and I do think this is an exceptional property at a great price.